Hello. To open this project, you will need to go to the folder you have downloaded from the theme forest. This will be the folder survive. Then you need to go to the folder survive view. Then you need to open the terminal from this folder like this. You right click on this uh, here and click open in terminal. Then the terminal will open and you need to install the npm dependencies from here like this one. Run this command sudo npm install. Then you need to give the password of your Mac. Then npm packages will be installed here. Then run this command sudo npm run dev. Then the project will start. You can click the link here to open it in your browser. Open link, then the project will open in your browser. You can check it here. If you need further help, you can tell us. We'll help you. Thank you.